As one of the world's leading manufacturers of construction, environmental and industrial equipment, Vermeer knows exactly what you need to get the job done. With over 60 years' experience, this innovative company has a reputation for raising the bar through engineering excellence. They have exceeded expectation once again with the introduction of the S800TX mini skid steer. Built with specs more commonly associated with much larger loaders, the S800TX is designed to save you time, labour, money and hassles. Powered by a 35 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, it's the top dog within the skid steer range, with an impressive tipping capacity of 1,088 kilograms. The careful distribution of this stocky machine's 1.3 tonne weight gives it a longer reach than any other mini loader in its class. Curved loader arms with a 2.14 metre dump height can easily load to the centre of a 5-tonne truck tray, ensuring efficient loading with no need for double handling. And a zippy ground speed of 7.2 km per hour further maximises productivity, especially on larger work sites. Dig longer trenches faster, bore deeper holes more efficiently, and move more earth in your day by reduced travelling times. The size and manoeuvrability of the S800TX, with a width of just 103 centimetres and over 15 centimetres of ground clearance, make it ideal for work in confined spaces, such as backyards with limited access. That means you can monopolise the jobs that your competitors can't reach. When operating in the mud, harsh terrain or driving over soft fall mulch, the Vermeer dedicated track system has a massive 116 centimetres of ground contact. With a ground pressure of just 3.6 psi, you'll be leaving less impact than a human footprint. This cuts out the need to regenerate grassed areas when the work is done. These Kevlar-stitched steel-belted tracks have a long wear life and provide the optimum flotation you need to keep working, while the other loaders remain on the trailer. The high-ride rear sprocket stays high and dry, away from damaging abrasive materials, and provides more torque to the ground where it's needed. Lower maintenance costs and less downtime mean increased profits. And with a massive 55 litre fuel capacity in its twin high-density self-levelling tanks, you won't have to refuel for days. With extreme power, one must wield ultimate control. Introducing Vermeer's patented pilot control system. 2 joysticks, 2 primary functions. The joystick on the left moves you forward, backward, left and right. And the right-hand joystick gives control of the loader, up, down, tip and crowd. In another industry first, we give you float function as standard. Forget the wrist fatigue of multi-lever machines. Try the ergonomic dual joystick system that has turned the industry on its head. The versatility of the skid steer is virtually limitless, with over 70 attachments available, including the 4-in-1 bucket, auger drive, log grapple, land leveller, and up to a 300mm trencher. The Vermeer Universal Mount Plate gives even more options, making life a lot easier if you have to hire an auger drive of a different brand at short notice. A dual-circuit hydraulic system generates serious flow, 56 litres per minute at 3,000 psi, so there's no need to cross your fingers and hope you've got the grunt. When most skid steers stall out in the dig, the S800TX digs in. The high-flow circuit gives maximum power to auger drives and trenches, whilst the low-flow circuit gives precision control for bucket operation. The inclusion of a 12-volt power outlet on the S800TX also means you can charge your mobile while you work, so you won't miss that important call about the next job. All of our components are of the highest quality, because at Vermeer, we don't just sell heavy machinery, we sell peace of mind. Vermeer mini skid steers are the only mini loaders on the market backed up by a 3-year or 3,000-hour warranty option. Most other manufacturers don't have the confidence in their product to stretch their guarantees past 1,000 hours. Work sites can be dangerous places, and we consider the safety of our customers to be paramount. We offer full risk assessments and safety briefings with delivery, and our machines are expertly engineered to protect both the driver and those around them. Vermeer's cutting-edge safety innovations include S800TX's automatic parking brake, which engages as soon as the driver steps off the operating platform. An integrated operator presence system simultaneously cuts power to moving attachments, helping minimise the risk of a mishap. For further security, Vermeer has also reduced the risk of the operator being thrown over the handlebars with the unique soft-stop anti-tip ground drive system. If your hands leave the joystick controls for any reason, the S800TX will ease to a stop, where other machines brake suddenly and tip forward. As a finishing touch, cushioning on the driver platform reduces fatigue from vibration and also provides comfort to allow a longer working day, a safer ride and more money in your pocket.
Matt Kernan, Bundy, Dingo and Tipper Hire, servicing the Wide Bay Burnett, Central Queensland in the Bundaberg area. We do a wide range of bucket work, site cleanups, level bar, stump grinding. Why is the Vermeer a better machine for us is that a lot of job sites around the area at the moment are saturated, where we could not get a wheel machine in onto the job. We can go straight in and complete the job with tracks. And also on sandy jobs where a wheel machine has trouble getting through, the track machine does it with ease. The ground speed is extremely greater than any other machine on the market, which gets the job done a lot quicker. It's a greater dumping height for loading trucks. Why is Vermeer's sales and backup service important to Bundy, Dingo and Tipper Hire is anything we've ever needed, it's only a phone call away, and the backup service is second to none. As far as recommendation goes towards the Vermeer, I'd highly recommend it to anyone that was looking at a track machine. Showing people, once they got to see the machine working, everyone got very used to it quite quickly.
Superior performance, limitless versatility, maximum safety. The Vermeer S800TX Mini Skid Steer. To find out more, contact one of our dealerships in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia, or visit www.vermeer.com.au.